Today we're going to demonstrate how to make a Hawaiian roll. For this, we will need the snow crab salad mix, a masago or Kaplan roe, a quarter of an avocado, sushi rice and nori. Now to start making this Hawaiian roll, we're going to start with a half sheet of nori on the cutting board with the rough side facing up. We're going to dampen our hands. We're taking roughly 150 grams of sushi rice, lightly packing it into a ball. Spread the sushi rice over the nori, and we want to evenly distribute the rice and make sure to cover all the edges. At this point, we're going to take our Kaplan roe, spread it over the rice. Now at this point, we're going to flip it over and we'll take our snow crab salad. We're going to spread this across the center of the nori. We want to evenly distribute it. Take our avocado slices and spread them out evenly as well. At this point, we're ready to wrap the Hawaiian roll up. Start with the side closest to us and wrap it over the top of the ingredients. We'll tuck it in, make sure it's tight, and then continue to wrap until the far side of the nori ends up at the bottom of the roll. And at this point, we're ready to cover the whole roll with plastic wrap. And then we'll take a makisu, press with the flat side facing down. We're going to apply pressure slightly downwards and then in at the base of the roll. And then even pressure across the entire roll. Now we're ready to cut the roll. We'll take a plate and we'll lay a bamboo leaf down on it, or a sasanoha, just for a little extra decoration. And if you do have any taller sections, if the roll's not perfectly cut, we can put the taller section in the middle. This will give it a more visually balanced appearance. And we're gonna spread these sections out next to each other, got a diagonal like this, and then just plate it directly across the center of the plate, leaving an equal amount of space on all sides. And here's our completed Hawaiian roll.